Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I will detail how to show touches or cursor while recording screen on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down the settings page. Locate and click on accessibility. Scroll down accessibility. Then click on touch. Locate and click on assistive touch. And then turn on assistive touch. Now once turn on assistive touch, you'll see the assistive touch like this. For you to be able to show cursor or mouse while recording your iPhone screen, come to where you see customize top level menu. Click on it. Now here by default you should have 8 icons. Now go ahead and click on the plus button once to add an extra button. Click on the extra button, scroll down until you get to tab, and then select it. Now go ahead and click on done at the top right. Then click on the assistive touch button, locate the tab you added, and then you're good. Now whenever you click anywhere on your iPhone screen, this is going to show the cursor or the mouse pointer. You see that? So that is exactly how to easily add mouse pointer or cursor on your iPhone screen while recording. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.